Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have Python and a virtual environment. Now start reading data. First, install Pandas and NumPy, then confirm the absolute path and file encoding. Use Pandas. Read CSV path/file. CSV delimiter equals encoding equals UTF-8, low memory equals false to create a data frame. Once done, immediately inspect df, head, and df. Info to verify columns and basic types. This first read gets you a working table to iterate on. Don't delay checking column names and unexpected nulls before proceeding. Once you have the raw data frame, fix the middle of the pipeline. Convert types and parse dates. Use read CSV, parse dates equals date call, infer datatime format equals true to speed parsing, specify dtype equals ID. Int 64, flag, bool or pass converters for custom logic. For large files, read with chunk size equals 100,000 and process each chunk to avoid memory spikes, or load directly into SQL with to SQL for server-side handling. Make sure to handle 1,000 separators and trailing spaces so types remain consistent. Finish by validating and saving a clean dataset. You should run df, info, df, describe, and df, isnull, sum, to find anomalies, then apply filna, dropna, or imputation as appropriate. Normalize column names, set correct indexes, and export with df to Parquet clean, Parquet or to CSV for portability. Once saved, document the transforms and schema. Troubleshoot. If encoding or parsing fails, reopen with encoding equals Latin 1 or specify error bad lines equals false to isolate bad rows and rerun parsing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.